right? So see the example for physical elements. In the physical elements, what we have discussed is the bold element, the italic element, subscripted, and superscripted. So these are the four examples for this physical elements. Let me run this program. Save as .html, file name .html, right? So here the program say, just opening that. See, this is bold, this is italic, this is subscript, this is superscript. The text come down, text goes up. Now see the example for logical style elements. So see, this is the example for logical elements. This is the example. Now in this example, what we have discussed is many things we have discussed in the logical. Now here see abbreviation. This is the abbreviation. Now knowing the element is not enough to write the HTML code. Usage of that element is also be needed. For usage of that element, what we require is we require attributes for that particular element. We need to know some little bit of knowledge on the attribute. Then only the usage of that HTML element we can know easily. Clear? Now this is HTML. This is for inserting. Now what we are doing? So under this we are inserting. Under between CSS to XHTML we are inserting HTML. Now this is we are deleting. So with the help of del tag. Now we are inserting a sample, just a sample result of substring. Now we are using a enter keyword to execute the application. For single quote, short quote, we are using Q. And for defining a term, title equal to HTML. Now out of this line, this HTML only, this keyword HTML, capital HTML is define a unique representation because you are defining that in between the starting tag of TFN and ending tag of TFN. Now directions left to right and directions also right to left we are using here, and we are inserting a variable $input, and we are marking a text called marked text with color cyan. This is the highlighting, cyan color, mark or highlight the text. This only this 5 words will be highlighted, marked with color cyan. And strong we are also using here, and also we are using the code. Just now I said you that when you want to insert a code, HTML code, if you're directly using without code tag, then it display as a taking as a error because already HTML tag is started, head tag is already started, title also be started, body also be started. So in each same HTML, there is no two HTMLs, no two head files, no two title, no two body files. Clear? That's why we are keeping that code as in the code element. Similarly, the small element, this is small element. Okay. And H1, if you want to have this, see the keyboard shortcut is W. Now how it is accessing? Because the access key is W. So once I click Alt W, it has to open keyboard.html link. Now another example, Alt S. Here we are considering Alt S for focusing a particular text. Now access key we are going to using as Z. Now here Alt S is also there and access key is Z. Now it not always mean that here you can use, if you are confusing S in the sense, you can use Z. No issue. Okay. Whatever the access key you are going to using, the default meaning is when you press this one, it will focus on that particular thing. Now when you want to submit a button, we are using a keyboard KBD tag Alt S and access key equal to S. Once you click Alt S, it will be submitted the form successful. The message will comes once you click on that. So these are some examples. Let me save this program and run the program. Just file name .html. Already file is there. Just click on it. Now I am opening logical.html. Logical elements. See. You see carefully. Just zooming out here. See abbreviation IE. IE stands for IE abbreviation. You have just included ABBR. It automatically reflected as IE abbreviation of this. HTML, CSS. You are inserting a new HTML. Now you are striking out with the help of del. You are striking out. Subscript in the sense when you want to be display a sort of the code SMP, you can use this subscript. Now HTML is defining a new word, DFN. Right, the text is left to right, right to left. See, the text it is left to right, it is displaying left to right. But if you see here, what will happen? It displays the text from the text only, from right to left, but not the entire body. Right. So this is left to right, this is right to left. Hope you are observing here. See here, this is printing as a reverse way. This is printing as reverse way. Hope you are observing. This sentence is here. This sentence appears right to left. If you read from here, if you read this way, and if you are using mark, you can mark like as a cyan color. That's why it is a cyan color over. However, this is again the code. When you want to insert the HTML code without disturbing the actual code, you can insert code tag. Small text like this, the small text will display. To use the shortcut keys, what I said in, I'm just pressing Alt W. In my keyboard, I'm pressing Alt W. So Alt W means already it is error because no file is there, only just link is there. Now, when I press Alt Z, see it is highlighted. When I press Alt Z, see mouse is somewhere. When I press Alt Z, I'm just pressing Alt Z here. See, my mouse is on top. Just I'm pressing Alt Z. Alt Z. Once you want to submit this one, you can use Alt S. See the message, form submitted successfully. Just time press Alt S, form submitted successfully. Okay, clear? So like this, you can write the program in any fashion. So all the logical elements we have covered over here. Is that clear? Now like this, we can do a lot of programs